Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to change the volume of a video in Canva? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to increase or decrease video volume in Canva Mobile. Let's get started. First, open Canva on your device. Then select video. Canva offers several video formats you can choose from. For this example, I'll select YouTube video. Choose a template to continue. You can also open an existing video project. For this tutorial, I'll use a YouTube video template. Once the video editor opens, tap the video clip you want to edit. Swipe through the editing tools below the timeline until you find volume, then tap volume. A volume adjustment slider will appear. Drag the slider to the left to decrease the volume, or drag the slider to the right to increase the volume. Adjust the volume to your preferred level. Once you're finished, then tap the checkmark icon. The new volume setting will be applied to your video, and that's how to change video volume in Canva Mobile.